hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. I'm videotaping you. I'm videotaping you. Yes, I am. You gonna do anything? You're gonna take a nap. You gonna take a nappy? Huh? Oh, you're probably tired. Let me dump him off. That worked. I found him last night, so I had to come home. And he stuck around. And went up to Mike. So I brought him home. And he's in the bathroom. I'm trying to keep him away from the other cats. Huh. He ate a whole can of food and... With you, baby. With you. Yes. And he was a house cat big time. I'm videotaping him. I don't know if we're going to keep him or not. I don't know. I don't know. Look at that face. Look at you. What's he doing? Oh. You gonna meow? Huh? Will you meow? No? No meowing? No meow? No meow. No? Okay. All right. Well, I'll end the video then, okay? Just sleep. Just sleep, okay?